Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you how to fix Facebook profile picture not showing on Newsfeed 2024. So as you can see right now, I'm selecting this picture and here it says share your update to Newsfeed. You need to make sure that this is ticked, like this thing is ticked, and then what you need to do is click on save. But for some reason, if you clicked on save without having that box ticked, what it would mean is that on your newsfeed this will not show. So what you need to do for that is click on your picture and then click on see profile picture. From there, tap on settings and then go to edit privacy and just make sure that it is on public so that everyone can see this post. Otherwise it's just not going to show in your newsfeed, and there is no way to do this. You have to unfortunately post your profile picture again. And yeah, this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.